Here I have NAVITEL T500 and let me show you how to insert here the SIM and microSD card. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key right here, choose power off and wait until your device will be completely switched off. Afterwards you need to go to your back panel and here let's remove the following cover by using the cavity at the top of the screen. Let's remove it as simple as that, step by step. Excellent. And now you have access to your slots. So let's insert at first the SIM card. So this is the slot for the SIM card. Here I have the SIM card with the characteristic edge right here. Let's put this card in that position and press it to the end. You may also insert here the second SIM card, but let me leave this slot empty. You may also insert in the following slot the memory card. This is the microSD with the characteristic edge right here. Let's put this card in that position and also let's press it to the end. You should hear the characteristic click in that case. Then let's close the back cover protection. Let me do it. Alright. Just do it correctly. You have to Alright. Now let's press the power key to switch on the device and to make sure that both cards works properly. The NAVITEL is switching on. Let's wait a few seconds. Alright, as you can see the SD card is inserted, it's a good sign. Tap apps icon. Let's find and select the settings. From the following list, let me choose SIM cards. Right here, SIM cards. And as you can see, the device is reading our first SIM card, so it's a good sign. You may also choose storage under device tab, and you may notice that the device is using your portable storage, so your SD card was inserted also properly. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.